Hello and welcome, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you have been fit, fine, and you all are enjoying all the lectures of online classes, not only of my subject, but I hope for all the subjects the same. My dear little champs, this is Rohan sir from Mahdi English Medium School. I welcome all my dear students once again in this English lecture. My dear little champs, as you know that your exams are approaching and you might be very much excited as online exam is now just a piece of cake for you to appear for. You all might be enjoying online exams more. Some of the students are enjoying the online exams, some of the students are still missing their classroom examinations. But we hope that whatever will happen for the good, and God may grace us and we will be soon together in the school. Anyways, I hope students you are sending your work regularly to your teachers, to your follow-up teachers. Yes, some of the students are even sending me the work on the regular basis. I really appreciate those students. My dear little champs, now you might be excited to know that what are we going to do in today's lecture. So, what are we going to do? Simply, we are going to do the revision of lesson 7. As you know that in your upcoming exam, in the online exam, lesson 7 and poem 8, these two are included. Obviously, revision is must. As much as you will revise, more you will get better. So, what do you have to do in today's lecture is, you have to take the good advantage of this golden opportunity of again explanation video. That means today I am going to explain you lesson 7 Kim's Hungry Pet once again. Many of the students demanded me, they might have watched the videos but they want more explanation or they want the revision. For some other reason they said that, sir, whatever you explain we enjoy it a lot, can you please explain this lesson again? So I said, why not? So now in this explanation video, I will be asking you the counter questions. That means after each 2 paragraphs, I will be asking you the question and you will have to write the answer of those questions immediately in your rough notebook. So after 2 paragraphs, 1 question, again after 2 paragraphs, another question. And these all questions, if you will be able to write the answers, we will come to know that okay, you have now understood the story. This is how my format will be. So I will request you to please be ready with your rough notebook and a pencil in your hand. Yes, these 2 things you will have to keep it now. If even you don't have the textbook, don't worry at all. Just keep the rough book and a pencil ready. I'll be waiting for you for a couple of seconds so that you will be ready with these stuff. So in today's explanation video, I'll be explaining you lesson 7 again and will be asking you the questions at the end of every 2 paragraphs, which will be helpful to you. And please make sure you watch this explanation video very carefully so that once you will understand the story, no matter whichever question I will be asking you from any corner of the textbook, you will be able to answer it, and I am pretty sure for that. Only if you are mentally present here, this is possible. I now hope that you are ready with your books. As in all my lectures, in the beginning, I always ask you to be ready with your books. So I hope that you were prepared beforehand. Let's get started. I am going to display the textbook now on the screen. So as you can see, this is your textbook, chapter 7, Kim's Hungry Pet. So this chapter is based on a world of pets. Now let us see what is Kim's Hungry Pet, how it is, and what is its name, and etc. etc. So we need not have to do this warm-up exercise as this is the revision lecture. We will start with the explanation part directly from the textbook. As you can see that this is the reading part where the story starts from. I hope you all are ready. You all are sitting with your books. So just imagine that you are sitting in your classroom. Rohan sir is right standing in front of you, and you know that I have the habit of walking at every bench when I am explaining you. So don't think that I am not looking at you. Now be ready with your pencils and the rough notebook open. Now in your rough notebook, please give the heading. So in your rough notebook, you will have to give this heading, because when you will send us the work, we will come to know that what have you sent. Also, please do not forget to write today's date. So revision questions and answers are going to come in your book. Questions will be from my side and answers you will write. And yes, I am not going to type any question on the screen. Now you will have to enhance your listening skills. I will repeat question twice. You will have to listen to it and answer it within few seconds only. So here your listening skills, your writing skills, your understanding, grasping skills, everything will be tested. I hope that you have given the heading now, revision question and answers. Also, please write today's date. Let's get started. Now, let me give you the outline of the story. Now, Kim's Hungry Pet, this story is taken from the diary. That means a girl was writing the diary, and from that diary, this story is taken. Obviously, when you are noting down each and every day's detail in the diary, you write either you write the date or you write the day. Here Kim has written the day on the every page of the diary when she opens it and when she writes it. So we are going to go day wise here. First day is Saturday, from where the story starts. Now please keep your ears and mind open. On Saturday, Kim writes in the diary. Kim is this girl, and you know who it is. This is the pet of the Kim. Now, what does the pet looks like? Obviously a goat. Let us see now where the story starts from. Saturday. Dear diary, I got a goat today. Everyone says she is a kind of strange looking. I think she is beautiful. I am going to name her Happy. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. At night, I will bring her into the barn. She is very small, but I think she is quite strong. Kim. So this much Kim has written on the day of Saturday in her diary. So let me give you the brief idea. Now on Saturday was the day when Kim met a goat. From that day onwards, she decided to keep this goat as a pet at her place, at her house. And when Kim was taking the pet in her house, everyone were looking at Kim. They saw that Kim had a goat with her, and goat was not really very good looking according to the other people. According to the Kim, goat was really very beautiful. So here Kim says that she is going to name her Happy. So now the name of the goat is Happy. So for the entire lesson I am going to speak Happy, not goat. So I hope you will understand now. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. At night I will bring her into the barn. So Kim decides to keep her full day in the field, that is in the farm, because goats cannot be kept at the home. And then Kim says that during night, when it is the time for her to sleep, she will keep the goat in the barn. Barn is the place where the animals, where especially the goats and other animals are kept. So Kim says that though she is very small, but Kim thinks that the goat is very strong as well. So this is what she writes on the day of Saturday. Moving on towards the Sunday. After I will finish Sunday, diary explanation, students, be ready for my questions. Okay, Sunday. Dear diary, I spent most of today showing Happy around the farm. It was easy. She followed me everywhere. Here on Sunday, Kim says that today I spent whole day with Kim and she took the Kim on the round towards the farm. Farm means again field where the farmers work. So she said that it was very easy to take Kim and take a round of a farm with Kim. Kim says that it was very much easy to take a round with Happy. Happy was really very innocent looking goat. Kim says that she followed her wherever she was walking, so it was very easy for her to go with her goat Happy. She even tried to come into the house for dinner. I fed her an apple and she stayed at the entrance making the goat sounds. Now Kim says that as she was following me for the entire farm, and when Kim was walking towards her house, inside the house when she went, Kim said that Happy also tried to get in the house. But Kim did not allow Happy to get inside the house, as Kim's mother was not ready to keep a goat inside the house. If Kim wanted to keep her in the farm, it was okay with her mother. But if Kim brought her inside the house, it was not okay. So Kim said that Kim gave her an apple. Now students, have you seen goat eating an apple? I have never seen in my lifetime. But when Kim fed her an apple, goat started eating apple. And then Kim said that when I fed her an apple, Happy goat remained on the entrance gate of the house. Then she ate flowers in the yard, and a card that I had in my pocket is missing. I noticed that it was gone after Happy poked her nose into my coat. Kim. Now Kim says that after having an apple, she even ate the flowers of the yard from the garden. Not only that, but Kim, when she checked her pockets, the card which was inside the pocket was now vanished, was no more there. Then Kim remembered that okay, goat Happy put the nose and the mouth in her coat, and that was the time when she might have eaten the card. Okay, now students, the counter question round starts. Listen to me very carefully and then write the answers in your rough notebook without fail. Be ready with the heading answer 1 and listen to my question very, very carefully. So, what was the name of Kim's goat? Please write the answer, students. What was the name of Kim's goat? I will not type the answer. I hope that you are writing the answer. What was the name of Kim's goat? Okay, second counter question to you is, where was Kim going to stay at night? I repeat my question, start writing the answer. Where was the goat going to stay at night? Okay, now third counter question to you is, what did goat ate from the pocket of Kim? Please listen to my question very carefully and keep writing the answers quickly. My question, third question, counter question is, what did the goat ate from the Kim's pocket? What did she eat? That is what you have to remember and write. Okay, these were the three counter questions. Moving towards the next page. Monday. Dear diary, I stayed in the barn last night with Happy. She seemed a bit lonely. I fed her carrots and hay. She liked the hay. I'm not sure about the carrots. Now, here, students, Kim says that Sunday night Kim stayed in the barn only. She slept in the barn only. And then Kim says that she slept there with the goat because goat was feeling very lonely. And then Kim says that she gave carrot and hay to the goat to eat. She liked the hay. I'm not sure about the carrots. This is what Kim says. Kim says that okay, I can see on her face that she liked to eat the hay, but she was not sure that goat liked carrot or not. Today after school, my friend Jen came over. Jen fed her a handful of grass. Happy really likes to eat. She also nibbled on Jen's shoelace and chewed a hole in one of her mittens. Now here Kim says that today, that means on Monday after the school, Kim's one of the best friends, whose name was Jen, came to Kim's house to play with goat. Then Kim says that Jen fed her handful of grass. That means Jen, who was the friend of Kim, gave goat handful of grass to eat. Happy really likes to eat. Then Kim says that looking her eating, she can see that Happy is always ready to eat anything. She nibbled on Jen's shoelace and chewed a hole in the one of the mittens. Now Kim says that when Jen was feeding the grass, she was giving the grass, goat Happy not only ate the grass but also trying to eat the shoelaces, also trying to eat the gloves which were in the hand of Kim. Now this is what Kim shared with her diary on Monday. Let us see what happened on Tuesday. Tuesday. Dear diary, I did my homework in the barn to spend time with Happy. Now here Kim says that, dear diary, I spent my time with Happy. Again, as Kim knew that goat was really feeling very lonely in the barn, Kim decided to finish her homework on Tuesday in the barn with Happy. So she did her homework in the barn. As you can see in the picture, Kim is doing the homework and Happy, the goat, is just looking at Kim and the book. So I read it to her and she seemed to like it. Then Happy says that whatever homework I wrote in my book, then I read in front of Happy. And then Kim said that I think that when I read the homework, Happy really got very much happy and liked to listen to my homework, whatever I have written. But I had to sleep in the house because I had all sorts of bugs bite on me from sleeping in the barn. Goats are hard work. Kim. Now at last Kim says to her diary on Tuesday, she has written that after completing my homework, I decided not to sleep in the barn, because when she slept in the barn on Sunday, there were many bug bites on her body, means mosquitoes, ants, all sort of insects were there, because of which Happy will be able to sleep, but Kim as a human being will not be able to sleep in that barn. So Kim said after completing the homework, she decided to go back to her house and sleep there. She says that goats are really hard to handle, they are really difficult. Kim. Okay students, now my counter question will start. Please be ready with your pencils in your hand and listen to my question very carefully. My fourth counter question is, as you know, 3 counter questions happened on the first page. Now on the second page, fourth counter question is, who was Kim's friend? Or what was the name of Kim's friend? You have to write the answer in one sentence, not in one word. Students, please make sure. My question is, what was the name of Kim's friend? I hope that you would have written the answer. Question 5. What did Kim's friend give the goat to eat? I will repeat the question. Listen to me very carefully and start writing the answer as soon as you understand the question. My fifth question is, what did Kim's friend give the goat to eat? I hope you are understanding and you are writing the answers now. Okay, I suppose that you should have finished writing the answer. Now question 6 is, where did Kim do her homework? Question 6 is, where did Kim do her homework? On Tuesday. Additionally, we can keep this question on Tuesday. I hope that you are writing the answer, students. Okay, I suppose you should have finished writing the answers now. Now let us see what happened when the Kim went at her house to sleep after completing the homework. Here one simple question is asked by the writer. What the question is? Do you think Kim took her homework to the school? Read her mother's diary note for her teacher. Now here it is written, students, the question for you is, do you think Kim took her homework to the school? Yes or no? Now then further it is written, read her mother's diary note for her teacher. Then Kim's mother had to write one diary note to her teacher. Why? Obviously, if some complaint is there, only then the mother have to write the diary. Now let us see what happened. Wednesday, that means on the next day. Dear Miss Granger, Kim does not have her homework today. Her goat ate it last night. She will submit it tomorrow. Sincerely, Carol Gray, Kim's mom. So here Kim's mother has written a note on Wednesday. Kim's mother has written the note to Kim's teacher. As Kim was not able to take the homework on Wednesday, whatever she has done on Tuesday, because goat Happy ate her homework book. By mistake, Kim forgot her homework book in the barn itself on Tuesday and she went to sleep. And overnight, Happy, who was the goat, ate the homework book. And that is why the name of the lesson is Kim's Hungry Pet. Pet which Kim had was eating every single thing. She was always hungry. So, Kim's mother has written the note that Miss Granger, teacher of Kim, please spare her for today as Kim has done the homework, but the goat ate the book of the homework, so she will submit you the homework tomorrow. So this is the end of the lesson now. Now my dear students, one last counter question I will ask to you, and that will be the end of today's session. Please hold the pencil again and be ready for my last question. Okay, I suppose that you are now ready to listen to my question. My question is, what was the name of Kim's mother? My question is, What was the name of Kim's mother? See, be very smart. Everything is there in front of you on the screen. Use your smartness and write the answer in the limited time, given time. What was the name of Kim's mother? Okay. So, I suppose that you should have finished writing the answer now, because I cannot give you more than a few seconds. So, this is the end of today's session, students. I hope that you understood this diary writing kind of story of Kim. So, my dear students, thank you for watching my today's explanation revision lecture, and I hope that you have written the answers of the counter questioning happened from my side. So, please keep sending your work to your follow-up teachers so that we can keep a note of your name as a regular students. I hope that you will be preparing for your exams. Good luck for that. Have a nice day. Take care.